Hi students, today we are starting new topic, infertility. A large number of couples all over the world including India are infertile, means they are unable to produce children. The reason for this can be physical, congenital diseases, drugs, immunological or even sometimes psychological disorders also. In India, often the female is blamed for the couple being childless, but more often than not the problem lies in the male partner also. Specialized healthcare units can help in diagnosis and corrective treatment of some of these disorders and enable these couples to have children. Couples could be assisted to have children through certain special techniques. They are known as assisted reproductive technology, means ART. Now we are starting in vitro fertilization. In vitro fertilization is assisted reproductive technology that is known as ART, which is commonly referred as IVF. It is a process of fertilization by extracting eggs, retrieving a sperm sample and then manually combining an egg and sperm in a laboratory dish. The embryo is then transferred to the uterus. You can see this picture, how they are transferring. Now, embryo transfer technology. It is a technique used to increase the reproduction rate of cows and buffaloes. Embryos transfer simply means collection of an embryo from a donor female and its transfer to the uterus of a recipient female of the same species. Test tube baby. Ova from the wife or donor female and sperms from the husband or donor male are collected and are induced to form zygote under simulated condition in the laboratory. The zygote or early embryos could then be transferred into the fallopian tube. ZIFT, zygote intrafallopian transfer. Embryos with more than 18 blastomeres are transferred into the uterus. IUT, intrauterine transfer. Embryos formed by in vivo fertilization, that is fusion of gametes in the female body. They can be used for such female who cannot conceive. GIFT, gamete intrafallopian transfer. Embryo formed is transferred into another female who cannot produce but can provide suitable environment for fertilization. ICSI, intracytoplasmic sperm injection. It is another specialized procedure to form an embryo in the laboratory in which a sperm is directly injected into the ovum. AI, artificial insemination. In this technique, the semen collected either from the husband or a healthy donor is artificially introduced either into the vagina or the uterus. Now, this chapter is completed. Its assignment also I am sending you with this. From next turn, we will start our new chapter. Thank you.